dance, song, and conversation. So here is our driveway, and right in front of our hotel is temple named Kenninji Temple, which is the oldest Zen temple in Kyoto, which is 800 years history. And the shrine next to us is named ABC Shrine, which is also known as a good god for good fortune and also the business prosperity. So our location is very solid. Even for Japanese, even for Kyoto people, it's very hard to step into this area without any local. So I'd say our location is one of our unique selling points. And regarding the history, so before hotel, there used to be elementary school until 2011. So our hotel owner redeveloped this farm elementary school site together with the Kaburenjo Theater to preserve this geisha district culture. So Kaburenjo is a school for Maiko or Geiko or traditional performance hall.
We'll check with the...
But when you finally open?
Absolutely.
When you will open?
Next month. So we just made our full announcement yesterday, so our opening date will be March 22nd. So regarding design, so our exterior is designed by Kengo Kuma Associates, one of the famous architects in Japan. He is inspired by Machiya. Have you ever heard about Machiya? Not matcha, Machiya. So Machiya is a traditional wooden townhouse in Kyoto, like small wooden house. So you will see the several elements of the Machiya in the property, such as narrow array, popular, and short string. This is very new one. So we do have three F&B outlets through later, a Japanese restaurant, a restaurant, and also a French restaurant. And throughout our property, you will see variety of contemporary artworks. So we do have over 100 kinds of artworks in the property. So for instance, here is our airlock. So this art piece is made of shimenawa, the Japanese straw. So shimenawa is kind of like amulet or holy barrier to ward off every spirit and get good fortune in. So almost all of the artworks are made by our local artists. And here is the lobby. Sorry, we have a shooting today, so a little bit different, right? By the way, have you ever been to other Capella properties in overseas?
Not in many, maybe in 5.
Oh, really? Nice. So as you may know that, normally the typical hotel, when you enter the lobby, there is this check-in desk or concierge desk. But every Capella, we don't have it at the lobby. We do have a separate space named living room. So this space is just lobby, very simple. This is our actual guest floor line on arrival. So guests will be welcomed by beautiful courtyard together with beautiful sound from cascading waterfall on the right side. So we do have a stage in the middle of the courtyard where Maiko or Geiko can perform. And also that we have a cherry blossom and also the maple tree in the courtyard. So guests can enjoy the seasonal scenery. And on the right side is waterfall at Atrium. So currently we're on the first floor, but for Atrium from basement 2 to first floor is Atrium together with a multi-story loft garden with waterfall. The guests are really welcomed by this beautiful sound. And on the basement 2, this area is pre-function area of vantage space. And also we do have a spa facility on the basement 2. So I will show you later. We have a dedicated smoking space for your reference. So this area is the elevator 4 of the vantage room entrance. So this artwork is made by bamboo. to right side is our lobby lounge, and also left side is our living room, where we conduct check-in and check-out. And also this space is kind of like crowd lounge, so guests can enjoy complimentary drinks and snacks from morning to until 10 p.m. In the middle of the lobby lounge, we have a stage where this Michael can perform one of our programming named Capella Ritual. So this is the actual photo. So as you may know, ritual, so every day, same time, same place, we have a complimentary, this day, kind of like cultural experiences. Once we conduct check-in at here, we will escort guests to the elevator hall just behind the living room. So from second floor to fourth floor is our guest room floor. So we have a total of 89 rooms, including 29 suites. So it means 60 rooms out of 89 is standard type. So we divided into 3 categories depending on the view from the guest room. So for instance, residential side is our entry level, like deluxe city. And 1 up from entry is premier theater facing theater side. 2 up from entry is temple side. So I will show you one of our standard type named Premier Temple King. By the way, this is our room key. Very cute room key. Oops. Sorry. So this category is named Premier Temple King. 50 square meters. So our bathroom area is very spacious. So from standard to junior suite, the bathroom size is the same. We have a tatami yoga mat and bathroom, and we have a pajama as well.
Pajama.
Yes. So all standard type is room size same, 50 square meters. And this premier temple is facing temple and also the mountain side. So guests can enjoy the beautiful temple over there, Kiyomizu Temple as well from first floor.
This one?
Yes, this one. And also the ceiling of all rooms on fourth floor is recessed ceiling, so you will feel more bigger than the actual size. And this headboard is made of the Nishijin Ori textile. Do you know Nishijin Ori? It's same textile of kimono.
Ah, kimono.
Yes. So room itself is very simple and very Japanese style. And we also, of course, able to set up our roller bed. Yes. And the TV side, we can close here, so kind of like a digital detox. So minibar, we don't set up all items yet, but we do have an electric kettle, Nespresso machine, cute cutleries. This teapot is also from a famous tea shop in Kyoto named Kaikado. I think we don't have a item yet, but we do have a snacks, and also like this glass, and this is empty now. So soft drinks are included in the room rate, so it's gonna be complimentary. Only like snacks and also the item will be chargeable.